LaShay, someone's at the door again. Oh, it's actually Harmony.
Can you tell Harmony to call on me after 6 o'clock? I'm actually ready to take a nap.
Sheesh, these windows are so filthy it's hard to tell if she's actually in there or not.
Now it's Hugh at the door.
Hugh, tell Hugh I'm exfoliating.
Girl, do you know who's here now? It's Lugo.
I simply can't. I'm deep into my wellness routine. It is self-care Saturday.
It's Gibson this time. What do you want me to tell him?
Ma'am, these people take too long to answer at the door. I'm getting tired.
Please tell the gentleman that I'm unavailable. These babies are my whole world now.